This is a quick comparison between the Canon R50 on the left and the Canon T7i or the 800D on the right. To me, there's a huge difference between the bodies here. So we have a bulkier body on the T7i and a smaller body on the R50, along with a shorter kit lens, making it lighter overall. The biggest difference to me is that you're not going to be looking through the viewfinder as much because you have this touch screen. You're going to be choosing portrait mode, close-up, sport mode, whatever you need to get the photo that you want. Here are some of the pictures that I've gotten with the T7i. So this is with a kit lens, this is with a portrait lens, and this is with a zoom lens that I got across the street. This was taken with the R50 with a portrait lens, and it's easier to capture animals who are quick on the move just by looking at your camera instead of pulling it up to your eye. But you can also chop off people's heads if you're not looking through the viewfinder. Spend the extra $200 and you'll be happy that you got the R50. Subscribe for more tech tips.